Hi, I'm Casey Glade, and this is my remediation for week 1 of NR304. I'm going to start by locating the heart sounds. So here's my clavicle here. I'm going to place 3 fingers under that. We'll feel a rib right here. I'm going to go directly underneath that. Be at the second intercostal space. Here we're at the aortic. I'm going to go directly across that. Now we're at the left, second intercostal space. I'm at the pulmonic. S1 and S2 are noted. I'm going to feel a rib here. I'm going to go to the third intercostal space. Now we're at Erb's point. S1 and S2 are noted. I'm going to go right underneath that. Here we're at the tricuspid. We're going to go right underneath that. We're going to go mid-clavicular. We are at the mitral. Good. Strong S1 and S2 sounds noted. Okay, now we're going to locate, put this down. We're going to locate our carotid arteries. We're going to palpate those. Carotid artery, rhythm is regular +2. We'll do that one at a time, so then we'll feel over here. Rhythm is regular +2. Okay, now we're going to feel the radial. Now we're there, we're gonna count the rate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 40 times 2 is 80. And then that was also, rhythm was regular and +2. We'll feel the other side. Okay. Rhythm is regular +2. Now we'll feel our brachial. Rhythm is regular +2. Rhythm is regular +2. Now we'll go to our posterior tibialis. Regular rhythm +2. Regular rhythm +2. We'll do the dorsalis pedis. Regular rhythm +2. Sorry. Regular rhythm +2. Now we're just going to finish by oscillating our carotids. Good. Rhythm is regular +2. Good. Rhythm is regular +2. And that will do it. Thank you.